How's it going, rednecks? This is going to be a relatively short video because all we're going to be doing is replacing the cabin air filter. And I gotta say, mine were pretty bad. And this is going to be for the 99 to 2002 because I believe in 2003 to 2007 they didn't put them in. So we'll go over that in a second. Let's go over what tools we're going to need. Tooling for this job is going to be pretty easy. All you need is a 7mm deep, a 5.5, and a 1/4 inch ratchet. You're also going to need a set of cabin air filters. And I went with this company because they had a carbon filter for their cabin filter or whatever. I don't know what that's going to do. It claims it helps fight odors and toxic gases. Also comes with a neat little sticker. Yeah, we'll go right there. How to tell if you have cabin air filters in your vehicle is you're going to want to empty out your glove box first, and then you're going to want to open it up. And on this side, you want to just pull this over, and there's a little tab right there that'll slide past. And if you see that right there, there's a little lip, like a hook thing. If you have that, then you have cabin filters. Now to get to the cabin air filter, there's only 3 7mm you have to remove. Over by the passenger kicker panel right here, there's one, and there's one kind of more central right there. And unfortunately, there is one way back in here. So let me get my ratchet and 7mm, and let's get that thing removed. With all 3 of the screws pulled out, all you're going to want to do is pull down and pull out. With that out of the way, we can now see our door better, and this is what we were seeing from the glove box. And this goes down and back. And if you take a look, that is our 5mm right there, or 5.5 mil. So let's grab that socket, get that removed, get this little door off, and then we can see what our filters look like. Now, as you can see, there's no filters in mine. I will put mine back in to show what they look like coming out, but I've already had mine out, and I will warn you, you might want to put a piece of cardboard down or something, because there's going to be a lot of stuff that falls out of here onto your floor, so be ready to be doing some vacuuming. With my old filters installed, you can see what it would look like. Now let's remove them. So all you're going to want to do is pull it straight down. That'll come out. And you got to reach in there, slide the other one towards the back of the vehicle, and then slide it down and out. With the filter out, you can see how bad it is and how much crud is in this thing, and that's with me knocking a bunch out. I don't know if I have a picture, but I think I have a picture of me removing that one. And if I have a picture of the Yukon, I'll also put that one up. Either way, them things were bad, and it's time to install the new ones. Let's go back into the Yukon and put them in. When installing the filter, make sure to look for your flow arrows, and they're going to be in the direction that they want the air to flow, so the arrows are pointing that way. So your airflow is going to go from your blower motor into your vents, so that's the best way to remember it. So we want the filter in this way, so all we got to do is slide it in, and we push it up, and this one's going to have to go all the way over. Let me grab my flashlight so you can see that. That one's all the way back in there now. And that guy right there is what we're trying to protect, your heater and AC system. So same thing with this one. You look for the arrows. We already know the blue side goes that way. So we put this one all the way over, slide it all the way up. It's not bottoming out like the other one. There it goes. And there we go. That one's all the way up. Now we got to install our door and put everything back together. Well, there we go. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not installing that third one because that thing is so far back under in there, I cannot get to it. So I don't think it's needed. At least I'm not going to put it on mine. Maybe if you have the center console from a Tahoe or Suburban, it's a little easier to get at. But for $20, I will recommend to everybody check your cabin air filters. They're probably pretty bad. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work. What are you thinking, Bolt? What do you think? Did we need to replace these? Or is this just a puppy toy? Go get it. Bring it here. Get it. Bring it here. No, you don't even want to get it. Yeah, it's that nasty. Yeah, I don't blame you. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.